What's up, guys? I'm gonna bang out a quick vid here for you to do this problem real quick so you have something to reference. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got going on here. So we got our equation. Let's see what we have for our equation. Okay, so for A, let's see if we have that in our question stem here. Manganese 56, a beta emitter with a half-life of 2.6 hours. What is the mass of manganese 56 in a 1 milligram sample of the isotope at the end of 10.5 hours? Okay, so does anything here tell us what our ending amount will be? Well, no. It is asking us what the mass will be at the end of, there's this head soccer coach saying, watch your back. I don't know what that means. Okay, so it's asking us for this. Once again, this is what we're trying to answer. Okay, it just was a little thicker. That might be too thick. Let's see here. Oh, I can do this. Okay. Whatever. All right, our initial, that is a little thick. Our initial line, let's see, do we have that? Yes, 1 milligram sample. Okay, 1.0 milligrams. Now, some of you might be thinking, hey, that's a milligram. Doesn't have to be in grams for this equation. And if you are, I'm very happy you're doing that because it's a great foresight to have for what we're doing right now. But the answer is if you keep everything in milligrams, it's fine to leave this in milligrams. Nothing in our question is asking us to give our answer in grams. It doesn't say what's the amount in grams. It just says what's the mass of manganese 56 at the end, and milligrams is a way to express mass, so you're fine. If it said in grams again, then yes, you would have to do grams. Okay. Now our number of half-lives. Are we given that? Well, kind of. We're told how long one half-life is, and we're told the amount of time that this is sitting there. So in order to get that, the number of half-lives that have passed, we just have to do total time divided by the length of one half-life. Okay, so this will tell us how many of these are inside of this. How many half-lives were inside of the time it sat there. So for this would be 10.4 divided by 2.6, and that's just going to equal 4. Okay, so that's the number of half-lives that passed. Okay, so now we have everything. Let's plug it in. Okay, so A is going to equal 1.0 milligrams multiplied by 1/2 raised to the 4th power. Okay, so if we do that math out, let's see, so if we have in your calculators, it would be 0.5 caret 4, 0.5 raised to the 4th. Grab my phone here. Actually, I don't really know how to. I hate the iPhone calculator and my other calculators in my bag. Let's see. Okay. So this is going to equal 0.0625, and we're multiplying that by 1.0 milligrams. Okay, so it's just multiplied by 1, so you're going to get 0.0625 milligrams. But is that our final answer? Well, let's look at significant figures. So right here we have 3 because these leading zeros aren't significant. But here we only have 2, so we need to round this to 0.063 milligrams. And that is our final answer. That's how much is going to be left after 4 half-lives pass. After 10.4 hours pass, you're going to have 0.063 milligrams remaining.